నమస్తే అండి. ఎంఎస్కే స్టడీ సర్కిల్ నుంచి ట్రిగ్నామెట్రీ కాన్సెప్ట్ చెప్పడానికి వచ్చాను. ఎస్ఎస్సి సిజిఎల్ ఎగ్జామ్లో ఈ ట్రిగ్నామెట్రీ కాన్సెప్ట్ మీద కొన్ని క్వశ్చన్స్ అడగడం జరుగుతుంది. అవేంటో ఆ టాపిక్ ఏంటో మనం జాగ్రత్తగా పరిశీలిద్దాం ఈరోజు. చూడండి, ట్రిగ్నామెట్రీ ఈజ్ డిరైవ్డ్ ఫ్రమ్ 3 గ్రీక్ వర్డ్స్: ట్రై, గోనియా, metron. Trigonometry is derived from 3 Greek words: tri, gonia, metron. Tri means 3, gonia means angle, metron means measurement. So finally, trigonometry means angle measurement. Angle measurement. Okay, it deals with angles and sides of a triangle. So first asala angle gurinchi నేర్చుకుందాం. Angle is the union of two rays with the same endpoint. Okay, see another definition: the amount of rotation of a moving ray with reference to the initial ray. The amount of rotation of the moving ray with reference to the initial ray is called an angle. Now see the symbol of angle. Symbol of angle like this. This angle we will represent it as angle AOB or angle BOA or simply angle O. This is about angle. Different units of measuring angle. We will measure the angle in different units. The first system is sexagesimal system. In this system, angle is measured in degrees. Okay, one complete rotation means moving ray completely coincide the fixed ray. One complete rotation is divided into 360 equal parts. Each equal part is called a degree. We will denote degree like this. So one complete rotation is equal to 360 equal parts. Each equal part is a degree. So one complete rotation is equal to 360 degrees. Again, 1 degree divided into 60 equal parts. Each equal part is called a minute. So 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes. 1 second is divided into 60 equal parts. Each equal part is called a second. So 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. 1 right angle is equal to 90 degrees. See how you got 1 right angle is 90 degrees. 1 right angle means like this. It is 1/4 of complete rotation. 1/4 of complete rotation. That is equal to 1/4 into complete rotation means what is the angle? 360 degrees. 1s 90s. That is equal to 90 degrees. It means one right angle is equal to 90 degrees. Next we are going to another system. Next system, that is centesimal system. In this system, angle is measured in grades. One complete rotation of the angle, is divided into 400 equal parts. Okay, one complete rotation is divided into 400 equal parts. Each equal part is called a grade. So one complete rotation is equal to 400 grades. Understood? Again, one grade is divided into 100 equal parts. Each equal part is called a minute. So we can say one grade is equal to 100 minutes. We will write like this. Again, 1 minute is divided into 100 equal parts. Each equal part is called a second. So 1 minute is equal to 100 seconds. We will write like this, 100 seconds. One right angle is 100 grades. One right angle means what? 1/4 of complete rotation, no? One right angle, 1/4 of complete rotation. So 1/4 into complete rotation, 400 grades. 4 ones, 4 hundreds. That is equal to 100 grades. Okay, na? This is about centesimal system. In this system, we will measure the angle in grades. Next, we are going to other system, that is circular measure or radian measure. Next system, circular measure or radian measure. In this system, angle is measured in radians. అసలు ఆ రేడియన్ అంటే ఏంటో తెలుసుకుందాం. Take the circle with center O. Now see, angle made by an arc at the center whose length is equal to radius of the circle is called 1 radian. We will represent 1 radian like this. 1 radian. Okay. Now, if circumference of the circle subtends 360 degrees angle at the center, we will get 2 pi radians is equal to 360 degrees. Pi radians is equal to 360 degrees by 2. Pi radians is equal to 180 degrees. Now 1 radian is equal to how much? Transpose pi to RHS side. We will get 1 radian is equal to 180 degrees by pi. 1 radian is equal to, you know that 180 degrees by pi means what number? 22 by 7. So approximately we will get 1 radian is equal to 57 degrees 17 minutes. Okay. So up to now we discussed different units of measuring angle. So వీటి మీద బిట్స్ ఎలా ఇస్తాడు? డిగ్రీస్ లో యాంగిల్ ఇచ్చి రేడియన్స్ లో మార్చమంటాడు. రేడియన్స్ లో యాంగిల్ ఇచ్చి డిగ్రీస్ లోకి మార్చమంటాడు. డిగ్రీస్ లో యాంగిల్ ఇచ్చి గ్రేడ్స్ లోకి మార్చమంటాడు. ఇవన్నీ తెలియాలి అంటే ఇవి ఎట్లా చేయాలి అంటే ఈ యూనిట్స్ మీద కొన్ని కండిషన్స్ ఉన్నాయి. ఆ కండిషన్స్ మనం తెలుసుకోవాలి.